Okay, today we'll be learning about composite numbers. Composite numbers. So what are composite numbers? If you know about prime numbers, they are you can kind of say that it's like an opposite of prime numbers, but not exactly. So let me first show you the characteristics of composite numbers. They are whole number. They are also greater than 1, and it has more than 2 factors. So prime numbers has these 2 characteristics, but it has only, for prime numbers, it has only 2 factors, which is 1 and itself, right? So if you're still unsure about prime number, you can watch my previous video on that. So for composite numbers, these are the characteristics, and let me give you some examples of composite numbers. It will be, sorry, not 2, because 2 is a prime number. Let me see, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. Okay, these are examples of composite numbers, and I'll explain why in a second. Let me see. Okay, let me show you something special here. Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and so on. Okay, this list also goes on. These one are composite numbers, right? So composite numbers, prime numbers. Do you see that actually 2, 3, 4 is here? 5. Oh, I'm so sorry. This is not prime number. Prime number is 7. Right. So do you see that 2, 3, the missing blanks are actually all the composite numbers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? 12. You see, all the blanks in the prime numbers are actually composite numbers, which is why I was saying it's kind of the opposite of prime numbers. So the only difference is that it has more than 2 factors, and prime numbers only has 2 factors, which is it and itself. So let's compare one of the prime number with one of the composite number to show you clearly what is the difference. So okay, I'll just pick 9. So we'll find the factors of 9. To find if you're still not unsure about factors, you can also refer to my previous video, but the factors of 9 will be 1, 3, and 9, because 1 times 9 is 9, 3 times 3 is also 9. So let's see the factors of a prime number. Let's just choose anyone here. Let's say 13. The only factor for 13 is 1 and 13. You see that this has only 2 factors, right? Which is 1 and 13 here, but this has greater than 2 factors, right? So this is a composite number. All these numbers here has more than 2 factors, but all these prime numbers has only 2 factors, 1 and its number itself. So yeah, thank you. I think this sums up everything for the learning about composite numbers.